Good evening. David here with his weekly week look. This video is timed at 10 to 5 on Thursday evening, 24th February. And as usual, we're looking at the UK London wheat market for May 2011. The market is just closed and it's Thursday evening. Right, in front of us we've got the daily bar chart, and this is back for as far back as October. So we've got October, November, December, Jan, February, so it's 5 months. And you can see, as I indicated on my video last week, that I've put these trend lines in place, the clear blue lines, and you can see that the trend, upward sloping trend, is in place. The bottom trend line was tested today, on Wednesday, and we did see an intraday break of that trend line down to a low of 180. Now, during the day, it did then bounce up and close just on the trend line, and then if you can see today, we are above that trend line. The moving averages are still, I know they've changed to a downward sloping indication, and the super trend is gone red, so that is indicating a short-term, medium-term downwards trend. Where are we on the Bollinger Band? And the action of the last 3 days has been below the bottom of the Bollinger Band. Now this is indicating that the market has got overstretched to the downside, and there's a 97% possibility, probability, that the market will go back within the Bollinger Band. Not say it has to, but the averages are that this recent fall has been overdone, and therefore the market has to go back within the Bollinger Band. Right, the main indicator which I've been using over the last 3 months has been our stochastic indicator, and if you look at my video from last week, I said that market, we should get a buy signal on Thursday. This has come right to T today. That's why I did the video tonight, and you can see that the D line has now gone green, and that's indicated by my little green arrow here, which was put this time last week. So we have now got a buy signal on the stochastic. The only concern is that did not come down to touch the 20 line as it has done previously over the last 3 times. So that is a bit of a concern, but still we have got our buy signal in place now. So this is indication that we should have a bounce back up, and this should take place, and we do not get another sell signal until the 7th of March, which is not next Monday, it's the following week after. So we've got quite a sort of a week and a bit for a possibility of an upwards bounce. The support line which I drew last week of this big black line here of 194 was breached on a daily basis, but not closed below. So therefore this did hold on a daily closing basis. So the support was crucial at 194, and it has held, and also this lower trend line, though breached on a daily basis, has held on a closing basis. So therefore I would still see, this fall has been quite dramatic. It was indicated by the stochastics. We have got the buy signal, so all we now have to do is sit back and let the market show us the way whether you can have a bounce. Our upside targets, due to this recent fall, have changed slightly. If I just bring down, they have actually risen to 230, but due to the breach on Wednesday, our time fact has now gone through till the 1st of April. So the planning forward would be that if the market does now go up and regain strength, instead of my target being for the 11th of March, which I'll just move that across actually, it would now be for the 29th, actually the 29th of March. So has been pushed back by the depth of this recent fall into day 4. Um, Support, I'll just move my chart out here. Support would be down at 179, which is the Fibonacci of the recent fall down to low swing of back in November. So basically, we've got quite a wide amount of movement, a high volatile market. So basically, your support now is dropped down to say 179 to 180, with the major support still being 194. But obviously, we've got a buy signal coming in here on the stochastic. So it has been so accurate over the last 2 months. It's been uncanny. I just hope this continues. And I say the only concern I have got is just that it has not, as the last 3 times, come back to test this lower line of 20. But we have definitely got the buy signal coming in on right on cue tonight. So hopefully we should see a bounce, I say, during next week, and then we're looking for another sell signal to come in on the 7th of March. So as usual, I'll put an update this time next week. Thank you for watching.